What is the smallest planet in our solar system? The answer is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet, only slightly larger than Earth's moon, with a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? The answer is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet with surface temperatures reaching 465 degrees Celsius, 869 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than Mercury, due to its thick CO atmosphere. Which planet is known as the red planet? The answer is Mars. Mars gets its reddish color from iron oxide, rust, on its surface. It's the most explored planet after Earth. What is the largest planet in our solar system? The answer is Jupiter. Jupiter is the giant of our solar system, so massive that all other planets could fit inside it more than once. Which planet has the most moons? The answer is Saturn. Saturn holds the record with 146 confirmed moons, far more than any other planet in our solar system. Which planet has the most beautiful ring system? The answer is Saturn. Saturn's iconic rings are made of ice and rock, stretching 282,000 kilometers from center, yet only 10 meters thick in places. Which planet rotates on its side? The answer is Uranus. Uranus has an axial tilt of 98 degrees, causing it to roll around the Sun on its side, making its seasons extreme and unusual. Which planet is the farthest from the Sun? The answer is Neptune. Neptune is the most distant planet, located about 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun, taking 165 Earth years to complete one orbit. Which planet is closest to the Sun? The answer is Mercury. Mercury orbits just 57.9 million kilometers from the Sun, completing one orbit every 88 Earth days, the shortest year in the solar system. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? The answer is Venus. Venus is called Earth's twin because of its similar size and mass. However, its environment is vastly different, scorching and toxic. Which planet has the tallest volcano in the solar system? The answer is Mars. Olympus Mons on Mars stands 21.9 kilometers tall, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, making it the largest volcano known. Which planet has the Great Red Spot? The answer is Jupiter. The Great Red Spot is a massive storm on Jupiter that has raged for over 400 years, wider than the entire Earth. Which planet has the shortest day? The answer is Jupiter. Jupiter spins the fastest. One day lasts only about 10 hours, despite being the largest planet in the solar system. Which planet has the longest year? The answer is Neptune. Neptune takes about 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun once, meaning one Neptunian year outlasts many human lifetimes. Which planet is the coldest in our solar system? The answer is Uranus. Uranus holds the record for the coldest temperature ever recorded, -224 degrees Celsius, -371 degrees Fahrenheit, colder even than Neptune. Which planet has the deepest canyon in the solar system? The answer is Mars. Valles Marineris on Mars stretches 4,000 kilometers long and 7 kilometers deep, dwarfing the Grand Canyon by a huge margin. Which planet has the most violent storms? The answer is Neptune. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching 2,100 kilometers per hour, powerful enough to hurl a human into space. Which planet could float on water? The answer is Saturn. Saturn is the least dense planet. Its density is lower than water, meaning if a large enough ocean existed, Saturn would float. Which planet has a moon larger than Mercury? The answer is Jupiter. Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon, has a diameter of 5,268 kilometers, making it bigger than the planet Mercury. Which planet spins backwards compared to most others? The answer is Venus. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets. On Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Which planet has the largest ocean in the solar system? The answer is Jupiter. Beneath its cloud tops, Jupiter may contain a massive liquid hydrogen ocean thousands of kilometers deep, the largest in the solar system. Which planet has a day longer than its year? The answer is Venus. Venus rotates so slowly that one day, 243 Earth days, is longer than 1 year, 225 Earth days, a truly bizarre world. Which planet has the strongest magnetic field? The answer is Jupiter. Jupiter's magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, creating enormous radiation belts that would be lethal to humans. Which planet is nicknamed the Ice Giant? The answer is Uranus. Uranus is classified as an ice giant due to its interior being composed largely of icy materials like water, methane, and ammonia. Which planet has the most extreme temperature swings? The answer is Mercury. Mercury swings from -180 degrees Celsius at night to 430 degrees Celsius in daytime, the most extreme temperature variation of any planet. Which planet has the largest storm ever recorded? The answer is Jupiter. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is a storm larger than Earth that has persisted for over 400 years, making it the solar system's longest storm. Which planet has the most Earth-like seasons? The answer is Mars. Mars has a 25 degrees axial tilt similar to Earth's 23.5 degrees, giving it 4 distinct seasons, though each season lasts nearly twice as long. Which planet was demoted to a dwarf planet in 2006? The answer is Pluto. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet by the IAU in 2006, leaving our solar system with 8 official planets. Which planet has the largest moon relative to its size? The answer is Earth. Earth's moon is unusually large, about 1/4 of Earth's diameter, making it the largest moon relative to its host planet in the solar system. Which planet has the most circular orbit? The answer is Venus. Venus has the most nearly circular orbit of all planets, with an eccentricity of just 0.007, almost a perfect circle around the Sun. Congratulations! You have completed all 30 planet questions. How many did you get right? Like and subscribe for more amazing quizzes.